And if you don't bloom, you are going in the trash, going in the trash, going in the trash. Hey guys, it's me Orchid coming at you with another quick what's in bloom update. I haven't had time to make like full proper updates, but I want to at least show you what's in bloom. Now, this is my it's a catasetum, surprise surprise. This is Fredclarkeara Kelly Longley. Now this one's already it's already named, and the Kelly Longley had come out perfectly jet black in one of the siblings on this plant. However, mine, this is a first time blooming, and mine has come out this wonderful burgundy color with a really nice flat open flower, wonderful speckling on the lips, and kind of slightly mentholy, slightly mothball-y kind of fragrance that fills the room. It's also a little bit sweet. I only got 4 flowers on this one. That is a-okay. I had a really hard time with all my plants this year, so to even get 1 flower is really special for me. These flowers, they have this wonderful thick lip. Like, this is really, really meaty. It's probably up to 3 millimeters thick at some points. Additionally, something to notice is the column here. This column is really oily, and if you rub it, you can get the oil on your fingers and you get the fragrance of it. And that's probably how the euglossine bees that pollinate catasetums get the oil on them too. They just rub themselves all around here. Now, something I want to show you about the Fredclarkeara is the triggers. If you notice, they're short on the Fredclarkeara, and Fredclarkearas actually don't eject the pollinia at all. See, I can touch all up in here and it doesn't come out. That's because these have been hybridized to the point where they've kind of lost their ability to eject their pollinia. So in addition to being long-lasting, vigorous growing, wonderfully shaped flowers, these also don't eject their pollinia, so you don't have to worry about like being careful to not touch the flowers lest they senesce prematurely. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, these are just great. Look at you can see from the back how flat they are, and from the side, like, they are just really, really flat. The back of the lip is really, really pretty too. I love the patterning on these. And this is the size of the plant. It's this small, and it gave these sized flowers. They're pretty damn big. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed looking at these flowers, getting to see them. Unfortunately, you did not get to smell them, but I do, so lucky me. I hope you guys get into catasetums. I hope you guys all at least try a Fredclarkeara or a Cycnodes, because they're very, very vigorous growing plants and they bloom really nicely. But otherwise, if they're not for you, I still hope you enjoy growing orchids. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy growing. Bye.